Hi guys, in this video we will see how to run network and internet troubleshoot on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If in your system network and internet not working properly, then you can easily run network and internet troubleshoot. To do so, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system. Thereafter go to right side, scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Thereafter on the next page, choose other troubleshooters. And here click on run button against network and internet troubleshoot. This is Windows inbuilt tool you must apply as initial workaround if in your system network and internet not working properly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Run network reset tests, try a different website, restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, restart your modem. Various type of workaround, you will have two options, choose them, and if none of the above workaround fix your issue, then finally at the end choose need more help, and your problem regarding network and internet not working on your Windows 11 10 system definitely be